This error is also known as Windows cannot be installed to this disk GPT, which often occurs during Windows installation on Windows 10 8.7. So what caused the Windows cannot be installed to this disk GPT partition style error on your PC? Let's see. Cause of the selected disk is of the GPT partition style error during Windows setup. You must use to install Windows using the MBR or GPT partition style. Also, your hard drive partition style must be set up to support either UEFI mode or legacy mode. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows cannot be installed to this disk. The selected disk is of the GPT partition style. So without wasting time, let's start it. Follow my all step, don't skip the video. To fix this problem you must first exit Windows setup. Otherwise the computer will have to turn off. After exiting the setup, then open the computer or open another computer if you are at home. After opening the computer, insert the computer into the pen drive with which you were installing Windows 10. After inserting the pen drive, format it on the pen drive. Once the pen drive is formatted, you need to download to a third-party software. First, you need to open Google Chrome and search for Rufus download. After searching the Rufus software, open the Rufus website. Simply click and download the Rufus software. After downloading, then open the Rufus software. Note that before you open the Rufus software, but you want to install Windows 10 or others operating system, you need to download the ISO file from your computer beforehand. After opening the Rufus software, then click on the boot selection option. Then go to the place where you have saved Windows 10 ISO file and select the file. After selecting the file, then click Go to Partition Scheme. There you will find two options, GPT and MBR partition scheme. I was seeing a GPT partition error while installing Windows. So you will select the GPT partition scheme. Then go to Format Options and type the volume labeled Windows 10 or other OS name, then click the Start button and bootable into the pen drive. It will take time to bootable your pen drive. I skipped because otherwise the video will get too big, so I cut it video. Once the pen drive is bootable, close the Rufus software. Then you made the pen drive that you can bootable, thereafter insert the bootable pen drive into the laptop or computer with the GPT partition problem. Then turn on the laptop after inserting it into the pen drive. Then press F12 to go to the boot menu. Other motherboard boot menus are different, such as F2, F10. After coming to the boot menu, select the bootable pen drive UEFI and hit enter. Then choose an operating system to start and select which of your bits supports 64-bit or 32-bit. As it supports 64-bit, so I will select 64-bit and press enter. Then you will see that the process has started to install your Windows 10. Select your language, time and currency, and keyboard input and click next. Then click to install. Now Windows setup is starting. Enter your Windows 10 key, then click next. If you don't have a Windows 10 key, instead, click skip in the bottom right corner of the screen. If you skip the product key, select the edition of Windows 10 that you're about to install and click the next button. Click the checkbox next to I accept the license terms and click next. Select the custom install Windows only advanced option. On the next screen, select the hard drive you want to install Windows on and erase it. Then format the C drive by clicking the format button. Windows cannot be installed to this disk. The selected disk is of the GPT partition style. This problem will no longer occur when installing Windows. See for yourself that this is no longer an error problem. If you follow my method and install Windows in this way, you will see no problem or error. If you have difficulty understanding something, please comment in the comment box. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.